Hello, welcome to Golden Sunshine. Here we are going to introduce you our Daily Grow certificate mark cards. With our special sunglasses or contact lenses, you can see the invisible marks clearly and easily. Ace, 4, 7, 10.